Good morning, Year 2. So today in maths, we are not looking at half past or quarter past, we are looking at 5 minutes past. So now we're not going to focus on these bigger numbers, we're going to look at these lines in between that I've drawn for you. So each one means 5 minutes. So between the 12 and the 1 are 5 minutes. Okay? And the same here between the 1 and the 2. It's 5 minutes. Right. Now there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, which I'm sure you're all very confident with. And that's why there are different sections of my clock which are 5 minutes. And as I go round and add them up, by the time I get back to 12, the start, it's 60 minutes gone and the brand new hour starts. So that's why in between each number is 5 minutes. Now, if I wanted to say 5 minutes past 3, what I mean is it is 5 minutes past the hour 3. So my hour clock, my hour hand, the shorthand goes to 3, there it is. And if it's only 5 minutes past, it's going to go here, right up to the number 1, okay? Because there are 5 minutes from 1 o'clock. What I'll do is I'll draw as we count up in 5 so you can see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, oh gosh, can't fit the 30 there, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and then it's going to be 60 on 12. Would really help. I think a lot of you know your 5 times table, so you can see it here. So if I said 5 past 3, which is on the clock, my minute hand is going to go to the number 1, because that means there's been 5 minutes around the clock. Now, if I said it is 20 past 3, it's 20 minutes past 3. So my hour hand is on 3. And to find where my minute hand should go to show 20 minutes past, what you can do is just count round and go up in 5s until you find the number. So 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. So it's going to land on the number 4. And again, it's great if you know your times tables because you know 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay? So that's past the hour. If you ever get a question saying a couple of minutes past an hour, you're just going to work your way around the clock. Okay? Now the other way you can do it is minutes to the hour. Do you remember how we had quarter to the hour? There is quarter to. I'll change my hour clock actually to make sure it's correct. So it's nearly 4 o'clock and I've got a quarter of an hour until it's going to be 4. Now, if it's 5 minutes to the hour, so close to turning to 4 o'clock, I've got 5 minutes to go. It's going to go up here. So you go this way. I've got 5 minutes until I hit 4 o'clock. So it's 5 to 4. Now how I can write that is just like this. 5 to 4. 5 minutes until it's 4 o'clock. And here's another one. Let's say it's 20 to 4. What I mean is I've got 20 minutes to go until it's 4 o'clock. So it's nearly 4 o'clock, should be around here my hour hand. And 20 minutes, well, I'll go this way, anti-clockwise to find out 20 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20. It's going to be on my 8. Here you go. Because if I can show you this way, feel like a fraction again. 20 minutes to go until it's 12. Now the trick to remember here with past the hour and to the hour is it will all change once that minute hand hits 6 o'clock. Okay? On this section of the clock, it's past the hour. And if it's on this section, the second half, it's going round, you're going to say to the next hour. So, you've only got a few questions on the last slide from Miss Parker. What she'd like you to do is draw the clock to show 3 times. And she's given you ones that say to the hour. So you'll be looking on this side of the clock. One last example. If I said it was 10 minutes to 2, so 10 to 2. It would be nearly 2 o'clock. It's my hour hand. And I'd go anti-clockwise for 2, 5, 10. There is 10 minutes to 2 o'clock. Okay, and again, I'm always on Edmodo if you need any help at all.